to add to the product section, we select products. This will give me a list of all of the products that I have for this job. And it'll give me an estimate of the percentage. This cruise estimate is an estimated percentage of what amount of this harvest will be each of these types of products. So as you see right now, my cruise estimate is over 100%. So I've got an arrow in here. So I need to decrease 15% somewhere in here. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to change this to 60%. And save. Okay, so now my cruise estimate adds up to 100%. If you wanted to add a product to this, so I'm actually I'll decrease this again. We'll go to, we'll say this is actually 50%. Now I'm missing 10% and I'm actually missing a product. So I'll go into add products. I'll select poles and I'll select the mill. This is from my list of mills that I entered in earlier. I'll enter in the mileage to the mill. And here we're going to estimate that cutout percentage. So this is where I'm estimating how much of this harvest is going to be this specific product, these poles large. And then we'll say the status is active. I would enter in my purchaser, whether it's a mill or a customer. If I select mill, I'm going to get all of my list of mills right here. If I select customer, I'll get my list of customers right here. So we're going to go with mills. We're going to say this one. We'll say $60 per ton. Now we'll divide up our vendors. So our distribution type will say, this is my trucking company. And we'll choose from my list of vendors, I'll choose trucker 1. We'll say $1 per mile per ton. And then we'll say we have a landowner. I'll choose a specific landowner here from my list of vendors, so that'll be landowner 1. We'll say $25 a ton. And then here we'll choose vendor for our consulting forester. And the consulting forester is getting paid from the same $25 a ton that the landowner is being paid. So we'll go over here to percent volume. We'll say 90% for the landowner and 10% for the consulting forester. So this is based on their agreement. The consulting forester is making 10% of what the landowner is making. So we use this percent volume over here to show that. If you use this percent volume, make sure that your percentages add up to 100%. So we'll click save here after we've entered in all of our vendors. It's going to take us to this list, and so it's going to add the poles here to our active products. And now our cruise estimate will equal 100%. So this is our estimate of how much of this harvest will be each of these different types of products. And this is our profit per product.